Welcome back. Construction of Sewerage Network in Mapusa, which is aided by Jaica, was unveiled on Saturday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Deputy CM Francis D'Souza, PWD Minister Sudin Dhaurikar were present for the foundation laying ceremony. Sudin Dhaurikar said that government plans to provide 24 hours water supply to Goans.
Potential development, potential development. सगळ्या गडबडीन केले आणि मागीर ते सारके जालेना क्वॉलिटी कितें जाली अशें जावंक जायना म्हणून आमी वी आर टेकिंग ओवर टायम म्हाकाय कळना तो आमचो गरज
आमी ही स्कीम बेगिनात बेगीन कशी पूर्ण जातली आनी फुडल्या 2015 मेरेन संबंद गोंयांत 24 तास सुद्धा आनी जे गांव आमचे जो वॉटर रिसोर्स आसा तो तितून जावं म्हापशा सारको विभाग आमच्या कदमकुटे सारको विभाग किंवा मोरवो सारको विभाग किंवा मारगांव जो आउटर पार्ट्स आसा तो विभाग कसो सारको करप हाजेर आमी लक्ष दिलें.
Major trade unions of Goa have decided to join nationwide general strike on February 20th and on 21st. According to trade union leader Christopher Fonseca, government employees will also join the strike, which may lead to interruption in power and water supply in the state.
Major trade unions of the state under the banner of National Convention of Workers have decided to join nationwide general strike on February 20th and on 21st. The strike is being called for the demands of rational minimum wages, abolition of the contract-based labor system across sectors, proper system for food security through public distribution system and old age pension facility.
These workers should be protected. They should be privy to the benefit. They should benefit from social security cover, pension, and other essentials, retirement benefits, medical benefits, and other benefits which are given to permanent workers.
Criticizing about the latest hike in petrol and diesel and continuous food price rise, trade union leader Christopher Fonseca said that government employees would also join the strike, which might lead to interruption in power and water supply in the state. But they will make sure that emergency services are not interrupted.
Workers from transport, electricity, water, even health will join us. But there is one rule which we have observed: we will maintain the essential services, the bare minimum essential services that are required.
On 20th February, workers on strike will be assembled at KTC bus stand Panji in the morning, and a rally will lead from there to Azad Maidan. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.